Let's connect n8n to Notion. First, add a Notion node. I'm selecting Get a Database. So you have to add new credentials. I already had credentials, but I'm going to create a new one. So we need internal integration secret. So if you go to Notion and go to Settings and Connections, select, click on Develop or Manage Integrations. Click on New Integration. You have to select the workspace and add a name for the integration. Then click Save, and it will take you to the configuration page where you have the internal integration secret. Then you have to copy that and paste it here in n8n, and then it will show that the connection was tested successfully. So that's my new connection. Let's see if that's working. It still doesn't give me the list of databases. That's because I haven't connected that particular database to that connection. So we have to give permission or connect every page. Then only we can see it in n8n.